In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your text bold, italic, and underline in Google Forms. Google Forms is a versatile tool for collecting information, and giving it a personal touch or emphasis on text can enhance clarity and presentation. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and navigate to Google Drive. Google Drive is your central hub for creating and managing Google documents, including forms. Once you are on the Google Drive homepage, take a moment to ensure you're logged into the right Google account to access or create your forms. Next, take your cursor to the top left corner and click on the New button. This button is your gateway to creating various Google documents, from docs and slides to Google Forms. After clicking New, a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll through it and select Google Forms. This action will open a new window with a fresh blank Google form ready for your creativity and content. Now you'll see a blank form template. Go ahead and select blank form to start from scratch. This environment is where you will craft your questions and responses. In the top left text box, which usually reads Untitled Form, type in an appropriate and descriptive name for your form. This step helps in organizing and easily identifying your form later. Once you have your form titled, move on to typing in your first question. Click on the default question prompt, which is usually labeled as Untitled Question. Type in your question, making sure it is clear and concise to communicate exactly what you need from your respondents. After entering your question, it's time to format the text to strengthen your emphasis. Click on the text you wish to format. Directly below the text box, you'll notice options for formatting such as bold, italic, and underline. Clicking on bold will give your text a more pronounced weight, making it stand out. Selecting italic adds a slant to your text, often used for emphasis or to differentiate it from regular text. Lastly, choosing underline places a line beneath your text, drawing additional attention. With these steps, you can apply various styles to your text in Google Forms, allowing for greater emphasis and clearer communication. It's important to balance your formatting choices to maintain readability and avoid overwhelming your audience. Remember, subtlety can often be as impactful as boldness. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for enhancing your Google Forms. Have a great day creating and formatting with confidence.